Welcome to this Tech News Fix It channel. And one of the interesting aspects of phones today, when we look at the smartphones from Samsung, and it's a problem with a lot of phones, is the fact that they all have their own system. They kind of want you to use their own in-house modifications of the operating system, which also brings another problem, is that often you're not up to date to the latest security updates. You're always a little behind because it takes longer for them to actually test and send out the latest security updates and feature updates to Android. Now, Google last year was pushing hard to have companies use their own seamless in-house update for Android, which would mean that it's, pure Android being updated all the time. Well, with the latest new phones from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S21, it seems that, once again, it's not taking off that well because Samsung has decided to once again use its own in-house UI and tweak to the Android operating system, which means, once again, Samsung updates rather than Android updates for the operating system. I do wish that companies one day realize that this is the worst thing that they could do, and it's always bad because we're always behind a little bit in the updates. And if the company decides that it doesn't want to support the device anymore, these updates stop, while Android itself, versions of Android are updated a lot longer usually. So let's hope that this changes over time. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.